Everyone says you need thousands of dollars to build a cybersecurity home lab, but I built a full enterprise style lab at home using used equipment, and it completely changed my IT career. If you're trying to get into IT or cybersecurity, this is the part nobody really explains. Because I did everything I was supposed to do. I got certifications, I studied, I put the time in, but something was still missing. I understood the material, and having multiple IT certifications, it still wasn't enough. But I hadn't actually done the physical work. That was my missing puzzle piece. And when it came to interviews or real world situations, I could definitely feel that gap. That's when I realized something. I didn't need more information. Having the certifications I had was more information than most people will get in their beginning sections of IT or even a long tenured IT veteran. I needed the experience. And the problem we face is, how do you get experience if no one will hire you? You build it. And this is what I built. So instead of going out and spending thousands of dollars on new equipment, I started looking at Facebook Marketplace, IT auctions, used enterprise gear, stuff companies were literally just getting rid of for pennies on the dollar. And that's when everything changed. This rack is what I built. And instead of focusing on what's in it, let me show you what it actually lets me do. That's the cool, fun stuff. I can build real networks from scratch. I can separate environments like users, servers, and test systems. And I get to break things. And breaking things is the fun part. And then, of course, figuring out how to fix them. And that right there, that's where the real learning happens. This is where I started actually understanding things like how systems connect, how networks behave, how to troubleshoot problems that don't have a simple answer. And that's something certifications alone just doesn't give you. This is what changed everything for me. Because now I wasn't just saying I studied something and got the certification. I could actually explain what I built, how it worked, and what I learned from it. And that confidence shows. When you can explain what you built, how it works, why it works, how to fix it when you break it, you're now in a different conversation in those interviews. And let me be clear, you do not need a setup like this to get started. You can start with one computer, create virtual machines, even something simple such as a Proxmox server or even a Raspberry Pi, where you can use that for DNS, use it for your remote access to your home lab environment. So many different possibilities. I built this home enterprise system over time. This was not a overnight build and setup. It took a lot of hours, and it took a lot of patience on my side to be able to learn the equipment and learn how I wanted it to operate and function. Once I got it configured and running, it allowed me the ability to confidently go into my interviews and sound like I knew what I was doing. And it opened up some opportunities that I'm very grateful for. If you want, I can show you exactly how to build a lab like this step by step, even if you're starting from zero. Just subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.